Making head or tail of your energy bill can be extremely confusing, whether you don't know what you're looking for or where to find it on your bill, or if nobody is there to pick up the phone when you do ring your energy provider. No wonder people are struggling and find it extremely frustrating to find and trust an energy provider on the market in this day and age. Hi, I'm Craig at Blue Ape Renewables, and today I want to discuss the significance of us being a trusted partner of Octopus Energy. At Blue Ape Renewables, we know exactly how frustrating it can be trying to find not only the right energy provider, but the right tariff for you, especially in this day and age with ever-increasing energy prices. Octopus Energy are the only energy provider that have been Which recommended for 8 consecutive years. Every client that I speak to speaks highly of the customer service provided by Octopus and how clear and informative the tariffs are when looking to switch over. For years now, Octopus Energy have led the way in terms of renewable energy tariffs for property owners looking at switching over to greener products. Whether you've got solar panels, battery storage, air source heat pumps or electric vehicle chargers, Octopus Energy have a tariff suited to your requirements and your needs. The fact that Octopus Energy are Which recommended for 8 years running just testifies to their honesty, transparency and customer service to their clients. All values that we at Blue Ape Renewables look to transfer into our marketing strategies and our business practices as well. With the Octopus app and smart meters, it's extremely easy to monitor exactly how much electricity you're using within the property and how much you're paying on your energy bills. Octopus Energy also provide a tariff no matter what renewable energy product you're looking at dealing with. You've got the Octopus Cozy tariff if you have an air source heat pump, you've got Octopus Intelligent Flux if you have battery storage and solar panels, and you've got Octopus Intelligent Go if you have an EV charger, all beneficial in different ways. As a trusted partner of Octopus Energy, if you're looking at switching from your existing energy provider, use the link within the description below and you'll be credited with £50 off your first Octopus bill. Simple, no strings, and a simple way to power your home. So if you're looking for an honest, transparent and customer-orientated energy provider, switch over to Octopus Energy, courtesy of Blue Ape Renewables, and invest in a brighter and greener future. Thank you for trusting us at Blue Ape Renewables, a trusted partner of Octopus Energy. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please feel free to like, share and subscribe.